can you be a good citizen? You can be responsible. You can obey the laws. You can be kind and helpful. Can you think of other ways to be a good citizen? Good citizens do their best to get along with others, but friends do not always agree about everything. What can you and a friend do if you are not getting along? Talk about the problem. Use quiet voices when you talk. Listen to each other. Ask, what is fair? If you still are not getting along, take a break. Then try again later. How do you make decisions in your class? Maybe you have a chart that shows who does the jobs each day. A job chart is a fair way to make sure everyone gets a turn. What if your teacher says your class can have 15 minutes of outside recess or 15 minutes of free play inside? How would you decide? You could vote. Voting is a fair way to decide. How do you make decisions on the playground? What if two people want to swing, but there is only one swing left? Talk with your class about a fair way to decide what to do. Kim says it is her turn to be first in line. Ben says it is his turn. How can Kim and Ben solve the problem? Listen and follow along while your teacher reads each sentence. Circle the sentences that tell what Kim and Ben should do. Write an X on the sentences that tell something they should not do. Listen and follow along while your teacher reads each sentence. Circle yes if the sentence is correct. Circle no if the sentence is not correct. Good citizens obey the laws. Yes, no. Voting is a fair way to decide. Yes, no. Good citizens are not kind and helpful. Yes, no. Draw a picture of a time when you and a friend solved a problem.